Welcome to this channel. In this particular tutorial, we would be simulating the Verilog code and the test bench for the logical gates. We would be using the Modelsim Intel FPGA Edition software in order to simulate this particular example. For more such videos, I request you to like, share, subscribe to my channel below. Any model sim design, we have to create the work library. So click on File, click on New, click on Library, and we have to define the library name as work. Now in my case, I had already defined previously the work library, so I would not create a new library. So once the work library has been created, we have to click on the project window. In the project window, we have to add the project file. So we would be simulating the gate and its test bench. So right click and click on add project and click on new file. Now mention the file name as gates and select the file type as Verilog and click OK. Now we have to create another test bench, so click on add to project and click on new file and define this as gates underscore v and define this add file type as Verilog and click OK. Now double click on gates.verilog. Now I already have this program written, so just I'll copy this particular program and paste it. Now we have to compile this particular program. Now when we look into this particular program, so this defines the Verilog module, which has a declaration and the body. In the declaration it has name and the input which is listed. So in this tutorial, name of the module is gates and the Verilog is a case sensitive. So module is a predefined word and we have the A and B as the input and Y defines the output. So next we have the various logical operators. Okay, now you can see that this particular program has been already written. So right click on this gates.verilog and click on compile selected. Okay, so if this program has no error, we'll get the compile of gates.v was successful. Okay, so that is important. Now right click on gates underscore v dot Verilog and this is the test bench. So the test bench also starts with the module definition and we have to define the reg and the wire, which is the design under test. Okay, so the input to DUT is reg and the output is declared as wire. Now this is the display value signal and then this particular hash 20 defines the unit necessary so that simulator knows the scale of directive. So I'll just paste this particular Verilog code and save this. Now right click on this and click on compile selected. Below you can see compile of gates underscore v was successful. Now we have compiled the both Verilog code as well as test bench. Okay, now let us refresh this and you can see we have both the program present in the global. So right click and click on simulate. Now we get this particular window which is sim default and now click on add wave. Now click on run all, and let us zoom in. Now let us realize this particular uh, simulated result. Okay, so you can see the various output of the various logical gate, and also the input A and the input B, and the output which is defined in the form of Y. So let us go to project, and let us see our Verilog code for this particular gate program. So you can see that y of 0 is AND gate, y of 1 is OR, and y of 3 is NAND. So when I compare this, so consider y of 2 for 0 and 0, okay, we can see that for 0 and 1, the output, you can see this particular output for various gates. Okay, so now consider that we are looking into EXOR. Okay, 0 and 0, which has to be 1. So when it is 0 and 1, it has to be 1. Okay, so when you see this, for 1 and 0, it is 1. So we have verified the output of logical gates using the Modelsim tool. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope this has helped your learning purpose. I request you to like, share and subscribe my channel below.